Hello friends!
It's 31st of December 2017.
Today we're going to spend New Year's Eve in the refugee house in the forest.
It is our tradition to spend every New Year in a different way, doing things that we've never done before. So we're very excited to take you on this adventure with us.
See you on the way! The weather is super hot now.
Like plus 10 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
It's kind of difficult to hike with the backpacks. But we'll see, maybe down the way we'll have better, colder weather. Because we were prepared for colder weather.
Yeah.
There is not much snow today left, unfortunately. 2 days before it was snowing, it was like fairy tale, winter fairy tale. But today, on New Year's Eve, no snow. Actually, we've been here before on this road, doing this hike to Puigmal, but it was in the summer and we were sleeping in a tent almost right at the top of the mountain. This video is not up yet, but will be soon. So, well, but today we're going to the refugee house. It's a new experience for us. This snow saved that it was in the shadow most of the time. If it wasn't, it would be gone. The sun is killing here, even in winter. We always wanted to live off-grid in a tiny little house, as we like and support this movement of the people that think that we don't need a lot of space actually to live. And that's our opportunity today, or rather tonight, to try it out. The only thing that worries us is that there will be people and the house will be occupied, and we have to go back home then, and we don't want that. But we'll see it now. So we're here, we made it to the house. Let me give you a quick house tour, if you can call it like that. Prepare yourself. It's not very fancy, but just a beautiful house. Just not very keen on all the writings on the walls, but this thing we like it a lot because it's kind of like bed structure where you can sleep and not to sleep. You don't have to sleep on the floor. It will be more cold. No. Have everything we need. Our fireplace. Maybe we'll set up a fire. I'm not a big fan of it, but if we get cold, we have to do it. Well, gonna make it our own little house for tonight. Clean it up maybe a little bit, yeah? We are in search for the wood because now we're pretty sure that we're gonna be cold tonight. And it is the full moon today. So beautiful. That's a pity that camera doesn't pick it up very well. Oh, the mountains with snow. It's very light actually now, but you can see anything. Just wanted to share that it's been a real pain trying to set up a fire and warm up this room. It just doesn't seem to work out anyway. Well, one of the reasons we think that the pipe is too big, the chimney is too big, and the other is that the wood wasn't dry enough, it was kind of wet. That's why I think it's the combination of both. So it was very difficult, but now, well, we ended up taking off all the wood, and well, now it's just like little bit left. But I think the night is not too cold, so hopefully we don't get frozen. So this is our little dinner setup. So we've got today salad of some corn, carrots, tomato, also potatoes with aubergine. Very tasty, looks very tasty. Then for, well, kind of corn cookies, some peanuts, oh, and for the dessert we have yogurts, and this is our star dish for the day. This is flourless, no sugar, no butter added cake, only walnut flour used, and well, some fruit like apples and pineapple. So it's time to eat and enjoy. Good morning, Happy New Year. It's our next day of New Year's escape. It was kind of nice that we had the structure of the bed, but again, because we didn't manage to heat up the fireplace to put it up the proper way, the house was quite chill in the night, so we had to wake up several times, heat up the water to at least warm up our feet and to be able to sleep a little bit. So we slept for several hours, but finally we survived. So we're happy for that. But waking up with this stunning view is always worth it, more than worth it. The water finally boiled and we can cook our quinoa. Collecting some water to wash our face and cook our breakfast. I think that's the cleanest water you can get because it's pretty close here to the peak of the mountain where it starts. So it's pretty much as clean as it can get. And our breakfast is ready. Super hungry now.
Now we are all packed up and are ready to leave home. It was very interesting experience and very new to us.
We hope that you find it useful and interesting to watch. We'll be really happy if it encourages you to travel and explore more, to get out and start your own adventure. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more travel and adventure related videos. Hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye.